All right, are you guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Are you set? Welcome home.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Look at this.
Oh my God.
When I first saw the bathroom, my jaw dropped.
I have no words. The comfort of being able to roll up to a sink and wash my hands or rinse my mouth or wash my face.
Why is it the simplest things that are making me cry? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
Now, Herman was hands-on. He was a
When
DIY
I
master,
first
but
saw the
unfortunately,
bathroom, my
when
jaw
he passed,
dropped.
he left behind a lot of unfinished projects. For the cherry on top, what was left is basically a glorified storage room. Shall we go and check it out? There's a door. There's a new door.
You guys are killing me. You go. Oh my God.
What?
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 Oh, look at this.
Oh my God.
I can't stand it. Oh, my baby. Oh, look at that.
You know what that's just for?
What is this?
You have heated floors. Yeah,
Stop it!
Talk about having cold toes anymore.
Right now.
Yeah.
Are you kidding? How do you get in this thing?
Just roll it.
9 months into his deployment, Tyler suffered life-threatening injuries in a horrific accident on the Iraqi border in Kuwait.
I do not remember the day I got hurt, but I do remember the day I woke up from my coma.
Tyler wasn't expected to regain consciousness, but with great strength and support, he woke up. While this was nothing short of a miracle, defying the odds introduced countless other obstacles.
Oh my God.
The shower, there's no lips. It's easy to walk into. He can sit down if he's not having a good day.
Oh, I like that.
That's your call sign, right?
Yes, that was my call sign. My call sign was Nomad37. This is just phenomenal.
Olympic gold medal winner Amy Van Dyken is recovering tonight in a Scottsdale hospital after an ATV accident completely severed her spinal cord.
When you're told that you're gonna die, you kind of have more of a zest for life. You know what? Yeah, I look at this and I go, would I rather be walking? Yes, I would. But I'm alive, and I am so stoked to be alive. And if that means that I have to be in a wheelchair, you had better believe it is going to be the most fabulous wheelchair ever. And I have said that, and it will be, and you will see it. The way that my house is right now, like the way that I left it, I will not be able to take a shower.
All right, guys, come on in.
Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. God. Why is it the simplest things that are making me cry? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
It looks like a spa.
It
really
is a
does.
spa.
I mean, it's unbelievable.
It is a spa. It totally is a spa.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow. Look
The
at
whole entire thing's
oh
tiled
my
in.
gosh. This is amazing. You have no idea. Since I've been injured, I have not had a really good shower.
You're gonna have a great shower
I'm gonna
now.
have a great shower.
And you see it's barrier-free, so you just rolled right in. You don't...
You're right. Oh
yeah,
my
they
gosh.
took the lip out completely.
This is stunning. Look at the
Wow.
ceiling.
It's amazing.
Kaylin was born at 27 weeks, premature. She was the beaming joy in our family because she was the first girl to be born. And then at like 15 months old, we were following up with the doctor doing what we were supposed to do. And one day they recommended PT for her. And the physical therapist that they sent to the house said to me, "This little girl has CP." And I went, "Wait, what?" They had hoped for her that she would walk someday and that it wasn't a very severe case of CP. And then as the years turned on, we were very blessed and very fortunate because Kaylin was cognitively normal. She was learning, she was speaking, but she couldn't walk. Just her legs, her arms, her motor function wasn't working. And we took her to every specialist, but she's never gonna walk.
As a result of the cerebral palsy, Kaylin has significant mobility issues and can't use the bathroom or the stairs on her own.
You guys ready to see?
We're so excited.
Yeah? Follow me.
All righty.
Oh my God, look at
boy.
the vanity. You could drive right under it.
The whole vanity's set for you. Brush your teeth right here.
Oh my God.
Holy
Oh my God, Kaylin. so beautiful in it. Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god, Kaylin, look. Oh my god, you can drive right in.
Kaylin, this is, you could have 10 people in here.
Kaylin has never taken a shower in our home. Ever. She's only taken a bath. She's used to having everybody do everything for her, and now she can take care of a lot of this for herself. Everything is within her reach. She doesn't even know how to speak. She can't even talk right now.
She's shaking, she's so happy.
God, it's amazing.
And you can fit the hockey team in that bathroom.
It's huge.
Hi, my name is Anastasia Pagonis. Some people call me Toss, and I'm 15.
Our daughter Toss is an incredible swimmer, and she's a Paralympian medalist.
Between the ages of 5 and 15, she has endured progressive vision loss, which recently has left her almost completely blind. We want to surprise Toss with a life-changing rescue that will give her the independence and comfort she deserves. A hazardous bathroom and light sensitivity issues around the house create daily anxiety and obstacles. All right, are you guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Are you set? Welcome home.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Look at this.
Oh my god.
George.
Oh my god.
God. Look at this.
Oh, I like this.
It's beautiful, Toss.
Oh, hi.
Pet the belly of the bear in the shower.
Oh my god, it's a normal bathtub.
The thing that surprised me the most was how you guys incorporated all the other senses into it.
Oh my god, it's tactile too on this one.
The walls, she could feel everything in the bathroom. It's amazingly safe now.
I feel independent like that. I feel like I don't have to ask someone to come help me all the time, and I'm so excited to go take a bath.
I was diagnosed with ALS September 27, 2012. It was awful. I mean, you couldn't have had worse words escape a doctor's mouth.
Mike and Donna, they just scrambled. The last thing that they have to do is the bathroom. But here's the caveat. They have one bathroom in their house.
It's not old, it's not antiquated, it's just not functional for somebody in a wheelchair. It's too small.
It's pretty dangerous for me to get up and risk falling to brush my teeth, use the facilities. I can now park my wheelchair next to the bathtub and fall in, but I can't get out.
I'm very concerned about the bathroom safety because if she slips, she's gonna get very hurt.
If George can come in and rescue the fear that I feel inside on a daily basis, that would be magnificent.
The reason we came here in the first place was because you needed a new bathroom. So what do you say? Shall we head down the hall?
Let's go.
All right.
Oh my goodness! Holy cannoli. Mommy can roll in.
This is our new house.
This is our new house. Everything is new.
I have no words. The comfort of being able to roll up to a sink and wash my hands or rinse my mouth or wash my face.
Do you like it?
Do you understand the depth of gratitude?
Mommy can get right to the sink.
You say thank you, Mr. George?
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Give him a big hug.
I can, wow, okay, thanks. Alex is a former high school athlete and has had a long-time passion for my favorite sport, skiing. Several months ago, Alex was enjoying a day on the slopes when his parents received a chilling call that he'd been in a terrible accident.
I woke up and I was in a hospital. At first I realized I had my hands and my fingers, but then I kind of knew something was off because I didn't have my normal feeling. And that's when the doctor informed me that I was paralyzed from my chest down.
Since the accident, Alex's loved ones have been by his side. But now that he's wheelchair bound, he needs a home that gives him the independence he requires.
Wow.
Oh my God.
So beautiful.
This is regal.
This is crazy. When I first saw the bathroom, my jaw dropped. I mean, the fact that I could easily transfer to the shower, and it's something that I know I'll be able to do all by myself. You're good at what you do. I try.
It's such a difficult situation when you have a child who is going through such pain.
And to see him uplifted by this team of people, it's just, there are no words.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.